Hello everyone, welcome. Today we have entered to the day 4 of SBI PO preparation, and in this video we'll be seeing about alphabet test which have 6 types. In this we'll be solving with alphabetical orders in which we have to arrange them as in the dictionary. This has some 6 types. I'll tell what are the 6 types. I'll be telling all the 6 types with some illustrative examples, and so that you can understand what sort of problem is this, or let's take this like a game, how to solve this game like a puzzle or etc like that. Okay, so type 1 is type 1 alphabetical order of words. In this type of problem, they'll be asking us to arrange the words according to the alphabets, like how it will be in the dictionary. Okay, for example, I'll be giving you some example. Before that, whenever you come with solving of reasoning problems, you just have to write this in the rough page. Okay, this will be very helpful for this alphabetic test, and not only for this alphabet test, even for coding and decoding. For like 40% of the problems will be based on this ABC orders. Okay, so I have written the ABC to Z, and I have denoted with one number 1 to 26. You can even write this with in the reverse order, from Z as 1 and Y as 2 and A as 26, like that. Okay, in this problem we have to arrange in the order as in the dictionary. So I'll be giving you some example. For example, I'll give you, this is draw, read, play, back, and E as want. This will be given as an option, and from this, if the following 5 words are arranged in alphabetical order, which word will come in the middle? Okay, if we arrange these words in the alphabetical order, which will be coming in the middle word? Okay, as according to the alphabetical order, if you see that, we know that B will be as second letter, so it will be coming as first. So option D will be as first option for in the first order, and second will be having that like D, right? So draw, this will be in the order of D, A, and third will be R or P or W. When we check this order, alphabetical order, we'll be having P in the third order. So option C here. So this only have 5 letters. We know that third word is a middle word. So option C, play, will be coming in the middle. Okay. If the following 5 words are arranged in alphabetical order, which word will come in the middle? So it will be play, right? Okay, like this only the questions will be given. I'll give you another example. The second question is, which of the following words will come second in the English dictionary? Okay, they are asking which will come in the second order. So we'll check with the option. All the words have the first 2 letter same as MA. Okay, MA we have. Okay, which of the third letter will be coming first? G or T or R? According to this order, we'll be having G as the first. Alright, so we'll getting G. Okay, which of this with the G will be coming in the second? Like while checking with the fourth word, this has I and this have N, this also have N, right? Whether I comes first or M's comes first, the I only coming first. Okay, so the first word will be magical, right? So we'll be getting the second letter either B or E, right? We have to check with B or E option. So while checking with this, while going with the fifth word, this have I and this have E. So which will be the correct option? E will be in the first and I will be in second. So magical is the first word, and second word will be magnetic, and third word will be, this will be second magical option. E will be magnetic, will be second option, and which will be coming third is B. B will be coming third, right? So according to the order, Which of the following words will come second in the English dictionary is option E, magnetic. Okay, this is how they'll be asking in the alphabet test. So let's go with second type. Second type is letter word problems. This is this will be slightly varying from type 1. These types of problems are very easy and interesting, but quite complex when there is no practice in solving these types of problems. Okay, now let's get into the question. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word instruction which have as many letters between them in the word as in the English alphabet? So we have to check with the English alphabetical order letters with the word instruction. So given option is 1, 2, 3, 4 and none of this. Okay, now we'll check with this. Okay, whether I first will be going with one by one. I and N. Where is I is here and N is here. So here this is preceding this, but N is preceding with I, but in the alphabet N is not preceding with I, N is preceding with M. So these words does not get a pair. Okay, next we will be getting with N and S. Whether N and S are next with next? No. This also does not match with the instruction. N and S are does not match. Okay, next we will be getting with S and T. Whether in this alphabetical order S and T comes next to next? Yes. T comes next with S. Also in this word instruction, T comes next to the next to the letter S. So this is a pair. And next we'll be checking with T and R. Whether here it comes with T and R? No, this does not match. Okay, R and U. R and U, whether U is coming next to R in this? No. This have a gap. That is, you have two letters between R, right? Between R and U, here presents two letters. Okay, next we'll be going with U and C. Whether this is next to next? No, this also do not match. And next C and T. C is here and T is here. This also do not match. That is what I'm saying here is T is coming next to C in the word instruction, right? As in this word instruction, C follows T. In the alphabet also, whether that condition is matching here? No. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Next I. Here I follows the T. Here this do not follow the word T. I is here and T is here. This does not follow as okay. O and N. In this order, O follows N. In this in the alphabetical order also, O follows the word N. Okay. So this is one of the pair. N and O. Okay. We'll go to the next word. I and S do not match. So we go to the I and S. I is here and S is here. Between I and S there are so many letters, right? Here it is only one letter. Okay. Next we'll be going like I and T. I is here and T is here. Between I and T there is just two letters, but here there is so many letters. So this also do not match. Between I and R. Here three letters present between I and R. Here so many letters are present between I and R, right? So next we'll going with I and U. Here also the same condition. Between I and U there is just 4 letters, but here between I and U there are so many letters. So this also does not match. Between I and C. Next, while checking with I and C, here how many letters were between I and C? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Here I and C. Between I and C there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. The same distance also follows here. Here also between I and C there is 5 letters. Here also between I and C there is 5 letters. So this also match. Okay. Between I and C. Okay. With I and T how many letters? Here the 6 letters. Here between I and T there are so many letters. So this do not match. And between I and I the distance is 0. But here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters are between I and I. Alright. Next. I and O. How many letters are here between I and O? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. right? Here more than 5. And with I and N, here comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 4. So here 4 letters, but here so many letters. Okay, now we have compared N, I with all these letters. So next we go to N. Comparing N and S, how many letters? It is, the letter gap is 0, but here the letter gap is 4. And between N and T, here the letter gap is just 1, but here the letter gap is so much. And between N and R, here comes 2 letters between N and R. Here comes 3 letters between N and R. So this do not match. And with N and U, here comes so many letters, and here comes just 3 letters, right? And between N and C, here is 4 letters, and here comes so many letters between N and C. And how many letters between N and T? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? And here N and T, between N and T, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same letter distance maintains here. So the next pair is N and T. And between N and I, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here between N and I, more than 4. Okay. Next with N and O. Here N follows O, but here does not follows O, right? Okay, like this, while we are comparing one by one, we just get 4 letters which is paired as in the alphabetical order with this instruction, the word instruction. So the option D is the correct answer. This is how we have to check, but while we are practicing more and more questions, it will be more easy. While I'm explaining, it gets late, but while we are solving, it's more and more easy, and we can solve this fast, okay? And now we'll be getting with the third type. The third type is rule detection. Here some letters may be skipped, or it may be in the blanks where we have to find the letters as in this alphabetical order. We have to compare this with that missing words to find that missed words, okay? Okay, now let's look with some examples. Okay, I'll just read out the question, okay? Okay, the number of letters skipped in between adjacent letters in the series increased by 1. Which of the following series observes the given rule? Okay, they have given the question that to find which of the series in the given option is increased by just 1. Okay, now let's look with option A, B, C and D. And we have to increased by 1. This is the question, right? So we have to find which of this that is option have increased with the difference of 1. So let's check with option A. This is A, C, F, J and O. Here look this. Between A and C we have B. Between C and F there is 2. Here is 1. And between F and J this is 1, 2 and 3. Okay. And between J and O, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 4. Here the order of the sequence have increased by 1. Here the difference is 1, and this is with this plus 1, and here the sequence is with the difference of 2, and here with the sequence, when we add plus 1 to the 2 we get 3. So, and when we add 1 to the 3, this will be 4. So this is the order. We got the option, that is we got the answer, but even though we got the answer, we can just check the option B, C and D, okay, for your clearance. Here the option is A only, okay. I'm just telling why the option B, C and D is not the answer. A, E, I, M and Q. Here the difference between the A and E is 1, 2, 3, right? Here 3. And between E and I, 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, between I and M, 1, 2, 3. Here difference between all these letters are 3. Okay, but the question asked is increased by 1. If here the difference is 3, here it should be 4, and here it should be 5, and here it should be 6, right? But all these letters have the same interval value like 3, 3, 3. Okay, let's check with option C. D, I, N, S and X. Between D and I we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. Between I and N, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. Between N and S, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the same 4. So in this option we have the same interval of 4. it should, when it should be 4, it should be 5, and it should be 6, and it should be 7, right? But all these are 4. Now let's check with option D. E, H, K, N and Q. Between E and H we have 2, and between H and K we have 2, and between K and N we have 2, and between N and Q we have 2, right? So these all are 2. Thus the answer is option A, C, F, J, O. Okay, now let's look with type 4. Type 4 is alphabetical quibble. Here, in this type of questions, generally a letter series is given, be it in the English alphabets from the A to Z or a random sequence. Here we have to trace the letter satisfying certain given conditions or regarding their position or the sequence, and we have to obtain by performing certain given operation in the sequence. Okay, for example, I'll give you some example from which we'll be solving 5 questions. Okay, the first question is, which letter is 5th to the right of the 18th letter from your right? Which is the 18th letter here? Here R. And they are asking 5th to the right of the letter from your right, right? So they are asking, what they are asking? They are asking from your right. So we have to count 1, 2, 3 from the Z. Z as 1, Y as 2 and like that. While taking like that, we'll be getting the 18th letter as I, right? So I is the 18th letter we count from our right. Okay, then 5th to the right of the 18th letter from your right. From our right, the 18th letter is I. And what is the 5th to the right of the 18th? And while we are checking the 5th letter, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Answer is N. So the option E is correct. The N value is the 5th to the right of the 18th letter from your right. Okay, now let's move to the second question. If all the vowels are removed from the alphabet, which letter will be the 7th to the right of the 5th letter from your left? Okay, if we remove all this that is vowels, what are all the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are all the vowels, right? So we have to remove A, E, I, O and U, right? So if we remove this, what is the 5th letter from the left? 5th letter from the left is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. G will be the 5th letter. And which letter will be the 7th to the right of the 5th letter is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is P, right? So the option D, the answer is P, is the correct answer for this. So let's check with the third question, okay? Third question, if every alternate letter starting with A is removed from the alphabet, which letter among the remaining letters would be the third to the right of the 5th letter from the right? They are asking from right, okay? Okay, in this question what they are asking is, if every alternate letter starting with A is removed. So let's consider this as A as odd number, okay? This is odd number, and every alternate number of the A, like A, C, E, G, I, and these are alternate numbers are removed. What is the which would be the third to the right of the 5th letter from your right? From our right, which is the 5th letter first? Our Y, Z, X, V, T and R, P, like this we have to consider, which is the 5th letter from this? Z, X, V, T and R. R is the 5th letter, right? So third to the right of the 5th letter. So which is the third to the right of the 5th letter is? From this we have to count which is our third letter. So when we take the third letter, it will be T, V and X. So X is the third letter from our 5th letter R. So the option is A, okay? I think you can understand what they are asking. If we remove the alternate numbers, that is alternate alphabets A, C, E, G, what is the alphabet will be like? B, D, F, G and F, H, like this it will be. And when we see from our right side, that is Z, X, V, T and R, which will be our 5th letter is R. So which will be the third to the right of the fifth letter is, the third letter from our fifth letter is T, V and X. X will be our third letter. So this is the question what they are asking, and let's go with fourth question. If A and B are written as B and A, they are just interchanging the position of alphabets. Okay, and C and D as D and C, E and F as F and E, and so on till the end of the alphabet, that is till X and Y, X, Y and Z. What will be the position of M from your right? While we are checking from our right, what is the position of our M? It will be interchanging, right? So while it is interchanging, this will be like ZY and XW, VU, TS, RQ, PO, NM, LK, right? Then what is the position of the M? The position of the M will be 14, right? The M and N, while it is interchanging, N will come in the 13th position and M will in the 13th, that is M in 14th position and N will be in 13th position. So what's the position they are asking from our right is, it will be like 14th. From this is clearly what we have to say is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So from our right it will be 13th position. From our left the M will be in the 14th position. But from in our question, what they are asking is, from our right side, what's the position of the M is, that will be in 13th position. So the answer is option C, 13th position. So let's move on with fifth question. What they are asking, if the above alphabet, that is this alphabet A to Z, is arranged in reverse order, which letter will be 12th to the left of the 17th letter from your left? From our left, which will it is, if it is given in the reverse order, which will be the 17th letter from our left? When we write the numbers in the reverse order, the 1 will be here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. K will be in the 17th. So from our reverse, K is the 17th letter, okay? K is the 17th letter, but they are asking that which will be the 12th to the left of the 17th letter. We have to count here from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay? Like this we have to count in the left of the word K. We'll be getting X, right? From this we will be getting X as the 12th letter from left of the K. So the answer is option D. In some books they have given like the answer as C, but according to the concept, you think by yourself. While we are counting in the reverse order and 12 from the left of the 17th letter, can you see what is the 12th letter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So which will be the 12th answer? This will be X, right? Then how W will be coming? Okay, in some books it have given like W, so please refer to that answers. Please clear that you are thorough with your concepts and do not confuse with some books, okay? Now let's move on with the type 5. The word formation by unscrambling letters. In this type of questions, a set of English letters will be given as a jumbled order, and here we have to arrange them in a meaningful word, okay? As a meaningful word. So let's solve with 2 examples. The question, unscramble the letters in the given words and find the odd one out. By seeing these words, you can guess that this is looking like winter and this is looking like summer and this is looking like when these two are seasons, and by these words you can guess that this will be a spring. And by looking this, it has just 5 letters and we can just guess as cloud, right? So this is a winter, this is summer, this is spring and this is cloud. So we have to find which is the odd one out. So these 3 are climatic conditions and this is cloud. So this should be the odd one out, right? The option is D. The answer will be D. So let's look with another example. Example 2, this is, I'll just read out the question and I have written the half of the question and for which we have to find the answer from these options. I'll just read out the question like, which is the question is, select the combination of numbers so that the letters arranged according will form a meaningful word. So we have to find that which order of this given number from the given option is the correct formation of this word. Okay, by looking this word you can guess that this is complain like this, right? So which we have to arrange them in order. So this is a complaint, COMPLAIN, right? We have all these words from the words of the letters, right? Okay, so which is the correct first letter is 5. Complaint, for this C is assigned a value like 5, P is assigned a value like N, and N as 2, like that. So option C starting with 5, this should be the correct option. Okay, there is no need to check all these numbers with the letters matched. If we have all the first letter as same, there is a need to check with second letter, third letter, like that. So as there is only one and only option starting with 5, so this is the option. Okay, this is how we have to solve the alphabetic puzzle. This is very important, writing this A to Z with 1 to 26 and Z to A as 1 2 3 4 to 26. Okay, this is very important, and this A to Z plays a vital role in the reasoning problems. Okay, and all the best for your problems. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and what are all the questions you have doubt, you can also comment the question in the comment section. I'll be replying for you. Thank you.